Welcome to the channel. This is 5 Minutes of Value. My name is Brock. Let's get right into it. Today I'm going to be showing you Benzinga's earnings calendar, why you should use this calendar to find opportunities and kind of look at the week ahead. So week ahead, we have some bank earnings on Monday. AT&T, not too familiar with, looks like insurance company, real estate, real estate, bank, a lot of bank earnings and insurance. Tuesday we got Boeing, GM, and Starbucks. And then pretty much after that, not too much. That's very interesting to me. Wednesday, Progressive, ASML, Tesla, Meta, and Microsoft, which is the earnings kickoff. So a lot of big tech companies kind of want to see the sentiment of how the earnings are going to be for this year coming, and basically the end of last year, quarter four. But this is really going to set the tone for earnings to come as well, and then also stock price movements. So Wednesday is going to be a big day. Just pay attention. And Thursday we have CAT, UPS, Apple, Intel, and Visa. Everything else not too interesting. Friday we have Exxon and Chevron energy companies. But I know I did talk about earnings calendar in a previous video. Just kind of want to reiterate how important this week is. And also, I wanted to let you know, using a calendar like this may be very helpful to find new opportunities. So a lot of these companies I'm not familiar with, like I'm not sure what Graco is, if that's how you, QRVO, Corvo. Sounds familiar, but haven't really done any research. Stryker, haven't done any research. Otis, CGI. All these companies are United Rentals, that looks very familiar, but I haven't done any research on that. And using a calendar like this and when earnings come out, this is where you can find opportunities and really grow as an investor, because you're going to be diving into the earnings and learning more about the company and possibly and potentially find your next big investment. And especially if you're a single stock investor, I like this calendar, Benzinga's earnings calendar. So I believe this is posted on Twitter or X, and it's super helpful. It's something I totally recommend to use, especially when it's earnings season and you want to look for new opportunities. This is the time to do it, because you can listen in on the conference call. You can, of course, look at the 10K or what the annual report, and really just kind of catch up with the business and look at previous reports, do your research. But yeah, guys, I just wanted to show you this calendar because it's super helpful, and I'm going to keep this open as a tab on my computer so I remember what earnings are coming, because you get busy and then you forget, and then boom, Boeing on Tuesday, and then Starbucks as well on Tuesday as well. So yeah, I just wanted to recommend using a calendar like this. You can also create your own. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. This is 5 Minutes of Value. Have a great night. Peace.